our beginner violinist in the age category of 19 to 23. We got 218, 219, 220, 221, and 222. Yes. Oh my goodness. I know that you're all probably excited to have lunch later on, but we've got some great vendors that have great food out there, right?
Yes, we have a bunch of people out there. Well, a few.
We have Chubby Monkey, Howley Boys Shave Ice, and Pokey Hut. All waiting for you. They are ready, and we are ready. Judges are ready. Drummers are ready.
All right.
Hold it.
Judges are ready? Take it away, drummers. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our first contestants for the age category of 19 to 22. Once again, these are our beginners. Ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers and please exit to your right. Thank you so much and good luck to all of you. Coming up is contestant